Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to just do a quick review of the size of the new LOSI 5IVE-TE 3.0. People always wonder about the size of it. So here we have several cars laid out here. We got the Red Cat R5, we got a Kraton 8S there, and then we have a Mojave and stuff. Now people have always asked me how big is this vehicle, and it's larger than the original 2.0 version by a little bit. I didn't have one of those out here, but you guys can see here the differences in size, and that it's so big it's basically falling off the table that have here for display and stuff for it. I'm gonna put these vehicles like on top of it and stuff so you can see that, but I wanted you just to see if it was sitting next to one of these vehicles how much larger it is. Now I have another detail I'll talk about the speed and stuff, which I don't think anything wrong with it, but anyway, that is a Arma Mojave 6S, which is a 7-scale vehicle sitting on top of it. So you guys see there, it's almost probably about twice the size of that Mojave there. Looks almost like a looks like you're comparing a 10 scale car to a little 12 scale car, something like that, or maybe 14 scale. Now here's the Kraton 8S on top of it, still bigger than the Kraton 8S. I think the Kraton 8S was just a tad bit wider because of the tires and wheels, just a tad bit, but not that much. But you guys see how large this vehicle really is. Like I said, everyone's been asking me about something like this, and instead of doing all the back and forth and getting tape measures out and trying to explain and people thinking about the dimensions based off what they put on their site, you can visually see this here. Now this is going to be that Hoonigan from Associated. This is a 7th scale on-road vehicle. So you guys can see how large that is. And those are not the stock tires and wheels on it either. Now here it is with a Team Corrali Kagama. Now this is a 8th scale 6S Truggy. So I want to make sure that when I show this to you guys that you got different perspectives of the vehicle in different areas. And here's going to be the Promoto bike. This is a perfect scaling to this vehicle. I know some point in time someone's going to create a trailer for the 5T to tow around the LOSI bike, which that'll be pretty cool. If I don't beat them to it, I may just do it out of wood or something like that. But it'd be cool to have 2 of these towed on a trailer with this. So if someone can do that, let me know in the comments. But anyway, you guys put your comments down below. I want to show this to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching.